Okay guys, well, I'm gonna do an update on the machine and why I went the way I went with the selection of servos and the controller and all of that stuff. Not today though. I've been cutting a lot of plastic before the semester, with the vacation. And I'll show you guys what that was for. Da, 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 da. This is, I don't know if I'm gonna edit this too much. I don't care. I did get the cyclone up. Looks like this. Works fairly well. I winged it. I put a electrical motor with, you know, some off-center weight on there so that it would vibrate and get the stuff to really drop out of there nicely. Had this welded up. I'm gonna extend it, put the pumps on top of that, and have the screw compressor up against the wall so that it takes up less space, because there's no space left in here. Just crap. Okay. Some elevator music for you. So I've been working on a machine here. It's a snow melter, actually. It melts snow. Here in Stockholm, snow is a big problem during the winter, and it needs to be transported away, and a lot of it, like 800,000 cubic meters per season, is dumped into the ocean, and it's really dirty, the snow. All the plastic cutting was for this conveyor here. Because the old conveyor was fine, sorta, but the capacity was way too low. Turns out there's a lot more sand than they say it is, but I realized, of course, they're gonna say that, because otherwise they wouldn't be allowed to dump it in the ocean. So yeah, that was that. I still got a lot of stuff to fix on the machine. I wanted to start using the index impulse on the servo motors to square up the gantry. Not that that's the best solution, since I went with multi-turn absolute encoders on my servos. So I want to use that functionality, sending it to its absolute home when homing, instead of waiting for a signal from the limit switches. Used to cut a lot of skid plates for ATVs. Now this machine is doing that instead. Toolboxes for ATVs, quite nice. Some stuff. This was for the Swedish army, the defense. But we bent it the wrong way, so excellent. That's why that's there. These are some skid plates waiting to get bent on this machine. Of course, I'm just walking around now, rambling, but hope you enjoy. So, I guess I should end this here and then start thinking about doing that detailed video about the machine, because that's what you're interested in. Okay, well, talk to you later.